So the next project at the cottage in the basement is putting those beds to work, those bunk beds in the back corner. We're going to have a weekend with 11 of us, and we don't have that many bedrooms, so some people are going to sleep in the basement. And it's going to be nice because it's nice and warm down here. It's probably one of the warmest rooms in the place. I don't have time to build real walls, and we're not sure whether we want real walls down here, a bedroom down here. So I'm going to put up curtains. A bunch of miscalculations, as always is the case with me, but nothing that isn't fixable. I have 48-inch sections, so 8 feet of pipe. You know, the 8 by 8 rooms is what I was thinking. But this was the first problem. The cold air returns are in the way, so I either go below them or just avoid them all. Well, either way, I'm going below them and I'm avoiding them all together. I'm going to bring the rooms into about 7 feet. There are flanges on each one, and it sits in the ceiling. I'm going to have 2x4 sort of nailers to put these in. That's no problem. I want to make the 8-foot sections into 7-foot sections with the pipes I have, so I had a bunch of connectors. So I just wanted to make sure that I was within this range, and I found a combination that works, which is a 48, a 24, and I think this one is a 10-inch. I'm carrying this because I realize I have to put it on before it's assembled, but this is quite hefty. I don't know what it's made of, some sort of polyester. It was inexpensive. So I need to either put it on and then put it up, or put it up and then put it on. And I think what I'm going to do is put the pipes in the ceiling and then take apart one end at a time and slide the curtains on. So I got those connected there, that's connected there, but I haven't connected there. This one's connected. I can't twirl them, spin them all at the same time because it just doesn't work that way. So that's what these unions are for. I happen to have only 2 of them, but I think I can replace this one and that one there on the 2 8-foot runs here. So, there, and it should be good. I cannot put the curtain across that. Of course, it's too big. It's easier just to show you here. That union is just not going to get through that hole, which is fine. I have 2 curtains per rod anyway, so that's just where the curtains will meet. So I'm going to continue to assemble it, and then I'm going to locate where the 2x4s need to be in the ceiling, and I'm pretty sure that if I put a 2x4 across, rather than like blocking, but if I do it across, I think that the curtain will just sort of be an inch or half an inch off the ground. These connect that way. this is what it looks like completed. You know, sufficient privacy for each room. This will certainly be temporary here, but temporary for how long, I'm not sure. And that's the good thing about it, is I didn't have to feel rushed to build walls and doors.